Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Volkswagen Amarok dual cab ute, stock reference number 5210. This shape runs from the 9th month 2016 and is the current shape. It has a DDXC 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. DDXC 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the front and the left hand side. We have the left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, factory fitted sports bar with all bolts and brackets, left hand tail light, non-tinted type, bumper bar has one dent on the underside, tailgate 4 small dents, right hand tail light, non-tinted type, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. The driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black and grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control single zone heater controls, touchscreen single stack CD player, interior mirror, sunglass holder and courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with twin button controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.